Going on, everybody? I want to give a big shout out to Bordan for sending me their dog cargo mesh net. For those that know, we have a dog. His name's Ra, and we just got a puppy, and his name's Loki. So this is going to come in handy on our travel, so they're not jumping on the new seats, the new leather seats, and keeping them back here and having their own little space. So we're going to go ahead and set this up and see how it looks, see how it fits. All right, so I believe that this part right here goes on the bottom, and by the picture and the diagram, it's supposed to hook onto here. I think that's what keeps it really, really taut. So we'll be hooking that on there. It's pretty big. Yeah, very nice. Pretty sturdy. It looks great. The squares in it are big enough for them to put their snout through and to see through it, but small enough so that they don't jump into the seat. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out how to set this all up. There's a lot of straps, a lot of hooks, but I think it should be pretty self-explanatory. So, hooking on to here. One here. Voila! Just like that, it's done. Great fit, and it'll keep little man from wanting to jump up back there. But it looks awesome. I love the mesh. It kind of gives it that safari look. But overall, great product. And anybody that has a pet, or even if you don't have a pet and you want to use this as storage of hanging certain things on, I mean, you can always hang your little tools and whatnot. It also works great for that. So if anyone's interested, check out Bordan. Great products.